let you go. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
Guys, it is New Year's Eve and we are going on a road trip. So today we are getting in our car and we are going to Myrtle Beach. We are taking you guys along with us. It's about a 3-hour drive. So in my mind, it's like going from Orlando to Miami. But we've been there once before, but last time we did not get to make it to the beach. So hopefully this time we will make it to the beach. This truck was just on people's tails, and I do not know why.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love.
We decided to pull off and get some Chick-fil-A. We were a bit hungry. We noticed a tent shop, so of course my daughter wanted to stop and see what they had. Okay.
The Angry Birds over here are 15, the big ones are 20.
Wow.
All the small ones are 5.
Okay.
Alright, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So you, what we've been through, I miss you. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take you.
We made it. Myrtle Beach check. So we made it to our resort and we are on the 4th floor. I was happy that they were able to let us check in, I guess a little early. Normally they are, so I didn't even think to like call and ask. I was just like, I'm gonna show up. So I was happy they were able to let us check in. And typically we check in, bring everything up, and then we change and get ready to go to dinner. On the first night or the first day that we check in, we typically go to dinner. So we are going out for dinner and we are at this place called Wicked Tuna. It really looks nice. So I can't wait to get inside. We are taking you guys with us. Let's go.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the
All right, guys. So it is a 15 to 20 minute wait. So we decided to just walk out here on the pier. There's a lot of people out here on the pier. And then they have like this clay shark. But it is very nice. I like that you can access the beach at night, like right here. I don't see a lighthouse.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy
Creamy. I thought it was gonna be more dry. I like it though. So for the evening, you guys, we decided to go over to Broadway, and they had like a mini fair. It was about 6 or 7 different rides, but we headed over to Broadway to see the fireworks, and we didn't even know this was here because the last time we were here, none of that was here. That they have.
That is so
And there's the big box. If I dig it, would be this.
I would like to get to know.
The It's Sugar shop had new things. I was tempted to try the Tennessee whiskey cake. I've never seen that before. Let me know if you have tried it. Alcohol shotgun? That is like not in the money. Different drinks? Now that is something that I could see myself doing. Alright guys, I just have to warn you, the footage of the fireworks are a little crazy just because there were times where I really thought the fireworks had gone wrong. It's okay, Bo. They are. It's okay. No? Oh, you know what? I guess I didn't think about the tree. I can't. It's okay. You hear echo? It's echo. come out. It's okay. You know it's coming, baby. You don't have to jump, okay? Look at it. Don't look at it. Woo, I think it's done. It's okay. You did a good job.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down.
Affirmations. Worrying about what others think is only a distraction to living courageously. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family.